motorcycle, we challenge ourselves every day to live up to the passion and trailblazing spirit of our founders. We fulfill their promise by pushing ourselves to be the driving force in what's next for American motorcycling. Our commitment to fine, American craftsmanship produces the most beautiful motorcycles recognized around the world. As riders, we're proud to share our passion with others as we realize we're all part of something bigger. Along the way, we've done some amazing things together. The original Indian motorcycle wrecking crew dominated racing in the 50s. The modern wrecking crew was reborn in 2017, and we've been equally dominant, winning 5 straight American flat track championships. MUNRO made history in 1967 by setting a new land speed record on his modified 1920 Indian Scout Streamliner. 50 years later, MUNRO honored his Uncle Bert's record by hitting 190 miles per hour on his modern Spirit of Monroe Scout at Bonneville. To celebrate the 50th anniversary of Evel Knievel's historic Caesar's Palace Fountain Jump, Travis Pastrana successfully beat 2 of Knievel's distance records on his Indian Scout FTR 750. History remembers the game changers whose firsts forever changed the way we see the world. We're here to inspire the next generation of riders to pursue their dreams. If you're on 2 wheels, you're with us. Our best days are still ahead. Indian motorcycle. Make the first move.